When I going to comment a photo on Instagram Reels and try to import a photo from gallery, showing this error, please allow access to your photos error problem and gallery photos not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, click on Enable Library Access and then click on Open Settings. After click on Open Settings, Instagram app info will appear and then go to Permission option. From here, find Photos and Videos option. Now allow Photos and Videos permission. After allowing Photos and Videos permission, now go back to home screen. Now just power on off your device and then open Instagram. Now go to comment section and try to upload photo from gallery and see problem solved successfully.